Vento QR New Recipe. Under the main menu section, we add recipes that the guest can order through the Vento QR application. A new recipe can be added by clicking the New Item button. First, search for the recipe in the recipe list. A modifier can be applied immediately when such a recipe is sold. For example, you can use this to differentiate Vento QR orders from others in the POS system. Layout determines the position of the recipe in the row, either 2 or 3 items per row, or each recipe separately on its own row. Time of sale specifies when the recipe should be available. Price override allows you to set a different selling price for orders placed through Vento QR. Click Save. You can change the order of items simply by dragging and dropping them with your mouse. If you are adding a completely new recipe to Vento QR, a system message will appear, informing you that it is necessary to define how the recipe should be displayed. This setting only needs to be configured once. If you later want to add the same recipe to another section, it will carry the existing settings and won't require reconfiguration. Click the book icon. Fill in the short name and translation. Choose the amount the guest can select in a single order. Since this is an alcoholic beverage, assign it to the adults only flag. You can display allergens and also allow the guest to leave a note with their order. Fill in the description and upload a photo. Click Save and you're done. From now on, the recipe will be available in the Vento QR application.